Okay, first things first, we need to pull this cinch bolt. And then just a 14mm wrench to pull the axle. Let's keep track of these spacers. I just like to put them right back on the axle the way they came off. So we got the wheel off the bike. Before we go any further, I want to go ahead and install the new white wall tire. So we'll do another tire change video. So in the last video you saw me using these. These are terrible for motorcycles, especially with inner tubes. It just rips holes in those inner tubes. I've had to replace 3 of them so far because of these. So I went out and bought this set. It's much more appropriate for motorcycle tires. So these are the tires I'm using on these. These are the ones recommended by RYCA. It's a 190-19 Shinko SR-777s. We have a little red circle here that indicates the lightest part of the tire from the factory. So we'll line that up with a valve stem hole, and we have to pay attention to the tire rotation direction. The disc brake is on the left side of the rim as you're rolling forward, so it means this way. So it needs to go in like this. Reline up the dot and we'll put in the tube. I'm using simple green to lubricate this bead. Some people say use powder, some say use just water or soapy water, but this stuff is really slick and it works really well. I just worry about getting too much of it inside the tire. More simple green. We'll start popping this side back on. And now we get to air it up, see if we punctured the inner tube. Okay, looks like we got a good seat all the way around. Go and spray it with simple green, see if anything bubbles. Nothing on that side. And you want to make sure you clean this simple green off the tire. It's really, really slick, and new tires are slick already, so I'm going to go ahead and wash this whole motorcycle before I take it for a ride, just to make sure I get it all off. and I'm going to use tire beads to balance the tires. I haven't gotten them yet, so I'll have to do that a little later. Thank you for subscribing and sharing my videos.